Welcome to my channel. We're on another. Come on. Welcome to my channel. And today's adventure is in Wales, on the beach. Look at that. Look at that for a view. Eh? Look at that. Beautiful. In Wales. Easter Saturday. Look at that there for a view. Beautiful. Look at them shitters. All that there. Got ourselves a nice little campsite. Let's just have a bit of a wander, shall we? Look at this. Shitting hell, look at this here. Hey, let's just go up here, shall we? Oh yes. G&G times, here we are. Oh shit. Christ, that's hard to climb that up. Ooh. Yes. All them sand dunes. Look at all that lot. Let's see there. Woo! Enjoying it. I don't know if you can see it. Just there is the lighthouse. In fact, what I'll do is might go round on top of that. But I've got to go down. They broke me bleeding neck. Shitting hell. Should never mess about on sand dunes. Come on, I'm going to go climb to the top of this one. I'm going to go and see if I can see that lighthouse. It's nice on here today. Easter Saturday on sand dunes. Where is it? Oh, I can just see the top of it there. But if I went to the top of that, I could see it. So I can go down the bottom of here. Is it there? You can see just the top of it there. Just the brim of it. There it is. There it is. Lighthouse. That's actually on the beach, that. That's on the beach. So later on, might go for a bit of an explore through the sand dunes. This is my little secret hideaway, this, in Wales. Not many people know about it, but it's a bloody cracker. Crap on lens when I've nearly broke my neck. Oh, shit. Again. Sand dunes. So, I'll do another one later on. Just gonna go and have me dinner now. Meat potato pie.